Hi, I'm Roger. I make costumes and props from film, TV, and games. My friend Kate, who does the awesome Craft Beer Fridays channel, wants a wand. The thing is, she's a huge Star Wars fan. So why can't we mash them up? I'm going to make Kate a Harry Potter-esque wand using none other than YODA's walking stick as a template. First thing we got to do is research. Did you know that the interwebs has sites that have a Blu-ray screen caps for every movie ever made? Well, maybe not every movie, but most of them, certainly for Star Wars. Did you also know that Yoda's cane, also referred to as the Gimer Stick, changes shape between movies? In Empire Strikes Back and The Last Jedi, it has more of a traditional cane shape to it.
I am wondering, why are you here?
I'm looking for someone.
Looking? Found someone you have, I would say.
No, this is not Yoda's stick. This is Palpatine's cane. Yes, I made that too. But in Revenge of the Sith, it has more of a straight shape to it, like this, that I think lends itself better to making a wand. I'm going to use this one. Most of the wands that I make are a combination where I first start out with a wood turning lathe and then I do some customization by hand. This Yoda wand is going to be all by hand. So I have my printed to scale thing. I traced it here and then I used this to transfer the basic shape to a block of wood. And I did that on two sides. Now, there's going to be some liberty taken with this one because I only have one side pictured. I don't know what the other side looks like, so I'll blend that together. The next step is to take this to a table saw and hack off the excess wood, hopefully without hacking off a finger. So let's do that next. Now it's time to go to the Dremel tool and refine this before adding the details. I think it's going to turn out pretty good. So here's where we are. I have a rough carving of the wand. This is not meant to be a small replica of Yoda's walking stick, but it's supposed to be a wand that should blend in with the Harry Potter universe and is based upon Yoda's walking stick. One more thing to do on color and this will be finished. And the final product, a wand of oak, 13 1/4 inches, and the core is the shard of a kyber crystal to focus the force and bring balance to the galaxy. May the force be with you.